Thanks for checking our channel here. This is going to be a, well, at least a testing video on this unit. This is a Parmak Magnum 12. This is the model Mag UO version. This is the plastic case version, not the older metal one. Some people like these plastic ones. Some people that have both the metal one and the plastic one, they like the metal one more than the plastic one. They say the metal one's stronger. I don't know. The boards are about 90% the same, so I don't know what the real difference in them between them are. I mean, yeah, metal stronger, but the guts are what matters. The case can be made out of glue, and as long as the guts are the same, it doesn't matter what's, the outside or inside of the case is. What's matter what's on the inside of the unit is what matters. So let's tear into this thing. These are 12 volt models. They're like half joule output, something like that. We get in a cluster of these things every year. They've been around. This plastic case version been around at least 10 years, if not a little longer. These aren't new, and the metal ones were around way before that, back in the 90s till 10, 15 years ago, or whatever this plastic one came out. But I gotta remember what bits are in this. These are not regular Phillips. Maybe it's this one. Yep, there it is. So let's take these screws out. He's got 3 of these things here, and the notes say that all of them click with no output, which normally that's a transformer issue. That transformer is what spikes your voltage up, but oh shit. But transformers are pretty dang rare to go bad on these things, so I'm not 100% sold that the transformer is indeed bad, but that's usually symptoms, but I guess not always. This last one is being a pain in my neck. There's these recessed holes, and bugs like to get in there and make their freaking homes, especially with these being 12 volt units. They're outside, where all the bugs are, and they like to go in there and freaking make their home. Okay, let's try this bit. This one, size 2. Nope, size too small. Let's try it with this one. Yeah, this one. I think the teeth on my bit are a little bit worn. Oh. Slow my drill down to a lower speed so it doesn't spin as fast, and maybe it'll catch better. Come on. Oh, no. Oh. Starting to round the bit. I don't think we're going to be able to get that one. Drill the head off, I guess. Put a little love juice on it and see if I can clean some of the grime out of that screw head. It's a Torx with a security Torx, so it has a stupid little stud in the center of it. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get it. Just spinning. Guess we're going to have to drill the head off, I guess. cutting oil on there. Keep the bit from getting hot or whatever. I need a new battery. There's the head of the screw. Alright, let's see if we can smack this to try to help separate the seam. Okay, yep, we're going to be able to get this open. Well, it's gotten water in it at some point in time. See the metal plates and down in the contacts are all rusted and corroded. Okay, so let's apply power to this thing. Let's get our power supply hooked up. This does not have an on-off switch, so as soon as you put power to it, it turns on. So far, so good. I can hear it clicking. See what the gauge shows on the front. Ooh, scared me. The gauge is in the green. See, it's working fine there. We're getting almost 8,000 volts, about 7.5 to 8. And we're getting power there. I imagine what they've got going on is all this crust and corrosion. How old is this unit? Does it even have a date on it? Yeah, August 2019, so it's 5-6 years old. So let's get a Phillips bit out. Screwdriver. Oh yeah. I just freaking crumpled right apart and broke. Let's get nuts off here. The terminal knobs. Get our just want to make sure I can get the thing to come out of there. Trying to bend that down. Get this one, there it goes. Alright, we're going to have to, I know, we're going to have to move the transformer. Damn it. Okay, more work. Oh, shit. Oh, gosh. this, lift it up and out of the way. We're gonna, might reuse this, might put a different one in there. Let's move this all the way out. Let's smack this down. Actually, it just snapped right off. See if I have any other bolts. Actually, I think we can just clean these. This one. What we can do is put some dielectric grease on the inside to try to help keep the corrosion down. Okay, so now what we're going to have to do is on this transformer, we're going to have to crimp on or something, some kind of spake. Actually, I think I know what I'm going to do. I've got these type of connectors. I think this will fit right in there like that. Yep. And we'll crimp on a spake connector and plug it right onto there. So we're going to go ahead and thread this back in there. Actually, let's get the dielectric grease on there first. And then we'll blob on some across there. Slide it in like that, and then we'll that takes forever. Just twirl it in by hand. Okay, let's, come on. Come on. Can't get to it that way. Come on. One. Okay, I have this one. Another one of those little spade connector things. Get that started. So nothing really wrong with this, just contact problems because it was outside unit, which is made to be outside, but not sealed very well. Come on. Okay, so which was a fence and which was a ground? This is a ground. Fence. Okay. So that will sit back like this, and then we're going to crimp on a couple of standard size, fully insulated spade connectors, female ones. Plug onto those there. Alright, we're going to put a little dielectric grease right there. My spade connect or pliers or something to plug these on. That, and the other one's going to go up there. Okay. Oops. Oh, come on. Like that. Alright, so now we can put these screws back in here where they go. let's put this cord back in its holder here. There are plastic plugs that we've got that go in the back of these things to keep the critters from getting in there, and we're probably going to put those in there as well. There's one screw. There's two screws. All right, third one. This one in there, it'll be fine. It's the right style anyways. We'll put those plastic plugs in the back. Find them. Oh, where are the plugs? Well, where are you? Oh, they're here somewhere. I bought a bunch of them. I know they're here somewhere. I gotta do a little deeper digging. But we'll put plugs in each one of these corners. That'll keep maybe some moisture from getting in there a little bit easier, and as well as block the holes off so the bugs can't get in there and bugger things up. But anyways, I'm gonna turn the power supply back on real quick. There we go. All right, thank you for checking us out. Until next time, see you later on.